welcome back to my new video where today we are going to play Geometry Dash. Let's get started. Let's go. Wow. My god. Let's go. Oh no. Let's go. No. Let's go. This box. No. Sorry guys. I don't know how to play this game. Let's go. Wait, let's go. No. Let's go. Okay, this level is some kind of hard. Don't worry, I will do this. We are going. No. Let's go. Yes. Let's go straight now. Please don't. Let's see what will happen next. Let's go. Where we have arrived. Let's go some. I don't have enough money. Let's go. What is this? Let me out of here. Let me out. No. Next level. The sewer. Let's go. Guys. I bet you can like and subscribe at the same time. Let's go. No. Yes. I am safe. Let's go. Yes. I know what is going to happen here. I have to be safe like this. It is very hard to be. No. No. Let's start again. No. Okay. I know. This. I have to dodge this. No. Let's go. Let's go. I am safe, but I don't know how much time I will be safe here. I have to do this thing. No. Again, I have to do this. Here, then here. I have to jump here. And wait. Oh. It was really close, but I managed to escape. This also I managed, but this I was near to win. But what should I do now? It is very hard level for me. It is very hard. It's very hard, very. Guys, it will be the 5-minute video. So I am ending the video. If you want the next part, comment below. Till then, bye.